Welcome to my channel. Apple AirPort Extreme Base Station Router Setup. Unbox the router and place it in a central location. Plug in the power cable and turn on the AirPort Extreme. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the one port, marked with a circle symbol, to your modem. Download AirPort Utility. On a Mac or PC, download and install AirPort Utility if it is not already installed. Mac, it's pre-installed in applications greater than Utilities. Windows, download it from Apple's website. Open AirPort Utility on your Mac or Windows PC. Select Create a new network name, Wi-Fi name, password for Wi-Fi security. Click Next and follow on-screen instructions. Configure additional settings, optional. Set up a guest network if needed. Enable port forwarding for specific applications. Thanks for watching.